Hello friends, today our topic is definitions of sports medicine. Definitions: a statement of the exact meaning of a word, especially in a dictionary, or clarity of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of sports medicine. Sports medicine is the branch of medicine that deals with physical fitness and the treatment and prevention of injuries related to sports and exercises is called sports medicine. The following definitions may be helpful to understand the meaning of sports medicine more clearly. The following means coming after or as a result of. Definitions means clarity. May be helpful. Helpful means useful. Understand means view in a particular way. The meaning of sports medicines. Meaning means a sense. Sports medicine. A sports medicine physician has significant specialized training in both the treatment and prevention of illness and injury. More clearly means a greater, clearly with clarity. The views and ideas of few sports medicine knowing doctor who expressed in their own way in the shape of definitions or as listed below. The views means the prospect. Ideas means plan or scheme of few sports. Medicines means sports medicines. A sports medicine physician has significant specialized training in both the treatment and prevention of illness and injury. Knowing doctor means significant or showing doctor, a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. Who expressed, who means which person or people expressed, convey in their own way, in the shape means appearance or form. Definitions: clarity or as listed below. Listed mean marked, below as under. First definitions: according to Australian doctor means as stated by medical doctors of Australia, formally as medical practitioners in Australia. Sports medicine encompasses the range of study into the medicines of exercising people. Means sports medicine surround scope of a detailed investigation and analysis of a subject. Medicine means a drug or other preparation. Fourth, treatment or prevention of disease. Exercise, the training of body to improve its function and enhance its fitness. According to Dr. P.K. Pandey, means as stated by Dr. P.K. Pandey, to create a positive environment so an athlete converts his all genetic potentialities into a phenotypic realities, means to bring into existence a positive environment can also help to stimulate athlete and in effect make the athlete want to learn more and change his heredity abilities capacities refers to the observable physical properties of an organism. These include the organism appearance, development and behavior of real life. According to Z. Appel, means as stated by Z. Appel, sports medicine is the repair of injuries and constitutional stress that occur to some reason. Means sports medicine is a branch of medicine that deals with physical fitness and the treatment and prevention of injuries related to sports and exercise. Restore bound inherent stress is the feeling of physical tension that happen to few grounds so that their participation can be continued in life as well as in sports. Means due to restore of bounds, the player can able to participate in games and sports and can pick up life. In addition to it, he can play sports. According to Coriat, means sports medicine is the biological of man in motions. According to Coriat, means as stated by the Coriat, sports medicine is the biological of man in motions. Means sports medicine is a branch of medicine that deals with physical fitness and the treatment and prevention of injuries related to sports and exercise is living process of man in movement. According to Porty, means as stated by the Porty, sports medicine is specialized study to tackle special problems concerning both the treatment of sports injuries and investigation of physiological problems. Sports medicine is the investigation to deal distinct difficulties connecting to heal the sports injuries. Means that occurs during sports athletics activities or exercising along with the examination of bodily part of living organisms difficulties. According to encyclopedia, means as stated by the encyclopedia, a book or a set of books giving information on many subjects. The branch of medicine that deals with injuries or illness resulting participation in games and sports and athletic activities. Means the part of science or practice of the diagnosis, treatment, prevention of diseases that treat with bound or sickness due to taking part in games and sports and athletic activities, taking part in cricket and football, extra and athletic activities like running, jumping and throwing. According to Harper Collins, means as stated by the Harper Collins, a field of medicine concerned with the functioning of the human body during physical activity and with the prevention and treatment of athletic injuries. The science that deals with a particular way of human body while taking part in bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure with to stop and heal the persons taking part in athletic injuries. According to Horton's Mifflin, means as stated by the Horton's Mifflin, the branch of medicine concerned with the injuries sustained through sports, as stated by the Horton's Mifflin's, the branch of medicine that deals with study, diagnosis, treatment and prevention of mental disorders which are relating to bound and through while playing sports and athletic activities. According to Forlex, means as stated by the Forlex, the branch of medical science that deals with non-surgical techniques, means the branch of medical science that deals with the studies viruses and viral diseases that give out with non-surgical techniques means physical therapy and heat therapy are typically prescribed for several weeks. In the last we can say sports medicine deals with physiological, anatomical, psychological, and biochemical effects of exercise and includes such diverse concern on training methods. In the last means at the end, we can say that sports medicine give out physiological means is the study of the structure and relationship between body part and physiology functions of body parts and as a body as a whole. Psychological means having a mental rather than a physical cause, and biochemical means involving chemical reactions in living organisms. A biochemical defect in the brain, result of exercise, and consists of various worry about on training methods means to a way or technique for improving knowledge and skills, that is called a training method. Thanks and have a nice day.